Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can lock a Google Docs file. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see, I'm on Google Docs and I have this file right over here. So let's say you've sent this to someone and you want to lock it now and you don't want anyone to have its access. So here, as you can see right on the corner, you'll be able to see share. So if you press on share, here, as you can see, it says anyone with the link. And if you've sent the link to anyone with the editor access, they're pretty much able to edit anything on your file. So how can you restrict this? First up, what you have to do is just put the role to viewer. And then once it's to viewer, then go ahead and press on restricted. So now only people, if you put in a restricted, the people who will open up the link that are using your Google Docs, they'll need a confirmation link from you to open this for them. They cannot open it without your permission. So once this restricted feature is done, just go ahead and press on done. And here you go. Now you have successfully logged your Google Docs file. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this really actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.